Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. In this video, I will discuss about the computer history and architecture. So the first question is question number 1. Abacus is still used for addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. So abacus is a computer which is used for the purpose of addition. So the correct option is here A. This one is the correct option. Next question. Question number 2. Who invented the first punch card machine in 1801? A. One Leibniz. B. Mary Jacquet. C. William Shockley. And D. Charles Babbage. So in this case, the correct option is Mary Jacquet, option B. This one is correct answer. Question number 3. Punch cards are used as output media. A. B. Storage media. C. Input media. D. None of the above. So punch card is an input media. So in this case, जो हमारे साथ करेक्ट आंसर है वो है सी, इनपुट मीडिया. दिस वन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. व्हेन वाज द फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिजिटल कंप्यूटर कंप्लीटेड? ऑप्शन ए 1930, ऑप्शन बी 1946, ऑप्शन सी 1945 and option D 1947. So the first electronic digital computer was completed in 1946. So in this case we have the correct answer, correct option, that is B. This one is a correct answer. Question number 5. The first computer were used for. So the first computer were used for which purpose? Number A string processing के लिए, B data storage के लिए, C arithmetic calculation के लिए, and D all of the above. So the first computer जो were used for the arithmetic calculation. So the correct option is C, the arithmetic calculation. Question number 6. Which generation did use vacuum tubes? Option A. Which generation did use vacuum tubes? कौन सी generation vacuum tube इस्तेमाल करते थे? First generation, B second generation, C third generation, D fourth generation. So the vacuum tubes were used by the first generation. So in this case the correct option is A, first generation. Question number 7. The ENIAC was A binary machine, B decimal machine, C both binary and decimal, D none of these. So ENIAC was a machine which works on decimal digits. So in this case the correct option is B, decimal machine. Question number 8. The ENIAC continued to operate under ORFA organization, ORFA, B or L management until 1950, C ISO, D all of these. So in this case the correct option is B or L management until 1950. Question number 9. The IAS computer were developed by. Who developed the IAS computer? So option A John Prosper Eckert, option B Dr. Herman Hollerith, option C John von Neumann, and option D von Leibniz. So IS computer were developed by John von Neumann. Option C is the correct option of the question number 9. Question number 10. Which generation did use the transistor? कौन सी जनरेशन ट्रांजिस्टर इस्तेमाल करते थे? Question number 8. First generation. Option B second generation. C third generation. D fourth generation. So second generation computer uses the transistor. So in this case the correct option is this one, B. Question number 11. What was the main idea of John von Neumann for developing EDVIC? EDVIC stands for Electronic Digital Variable Arithmetic Computer. So in this case, option A, to perform logical operation, to perform arithmetic operation, to store figures, and D, none of the above. So main idea of developing the EDVIC was to store the programs. So in this case the correct option is C. Question number 12. The transistor was developed at Bell Lab in 9A 1947, B 1913, C 1931, and D 1936. So the transistor was developed at Bell Laboratory in 1930. The correct option is B 1930. Question number 13. The technique of putting the large transistor, resistor and capacitor into a single chip is known as. यानी वो तरीका जिसमें बड़े ट्रांजिस्टर, रेजिस्टर और कैपेसिटर को एक ही सिंगल चिप में रखा जाता है, इस तरीके को क्या कहते हैं? नंबर ए मीडियम स्केल इंटीग्रेशन, बी लोअर स्केल इंटीग्रेशन, सी स्मॉल स्केल इंटीग्रेशन, and D, none of the above. So large transistor, resistor and capacitor. So in this case the correct option is lower scale integration, option B. Question number 14. Who could be considered to the father of computer? कंप्यूटर का बाबा यानी बॉब किसको कहलाया जाता है? हेरमैन वलेरथ, ए, बी जॉन वन न्यूमैन, C Charles Babbage, and D none of the above. So Charles Babbage was considered to the father of computer. Option C, this one. Question number 15. Microprocessor has to development of the microprocessor किस डेवलपमेंट के लिए किस डेवलपमेंट का बाइस है? मेन फ्रेम कंप्यूटर, ए, बी मिनी कंप्यूटर के, सी डिजिटल कंप्यूटर एंड डी माइक्रो कंप्यूटर. सो माइक्रो प्रोसेसर जो है ये माइक्रो कंप्यूटर के डेवलपमेंट का बाइस है, यानी माइक्रो कंप्यूटर में माइक्रो प्रोसेसर लगा होता है. सो हम कह सकते हैं कि माइक्रो प्रोसेसर causes the development of the micro computer. The correct option is option D. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video.